So this is day 3, right?
Technically, it's day 4.
This is day 4 of us in New York. I done picked up a little accent, you know. This is the fit today.
Look at all of us. Oh my god. We could say we had a color scheme for today.
I got on a white turtleneck, some medium wash jeans.
I feel like I throw off the aesthetic.
And
Girl,
some
no
brown Uggs. I don't know if y'all can see. And I got my little chili print purse from Shein. And yeah.
So this was the color scheme for today.
We about to go to the Statue of Liberty.
We're
we need to
all
go.
similar.
We're finna go, so we'll see y'all when we get there. Look at her curls bouncing. I'm dead. Y'all look. Lady Liberty.
Pedestal and figure together stand 93 meters.
This is lovely. This being in New York reminds me of the Black Annie because, like, this is one of the. Oh, it's snowing.
Oh, babe, we need to get back.
They need to close that window.
Yeah, can y'all close that window? Thanks.
It's snowing, y'all. I don't.
Black people like repetition.
It's snowing, y'all.
We got a juju.
It's snowing. I got buffalo tenders. I mean, y'all got a chicken fajita. Vicky got a burger. That's a fat burger, baby. That burger is huge. How it taste? Let's see.
My tongue started watering instantly. Y'all, New York has not disappointed me one time with their food. At all. Not one time with their food. Every single place we went, food was bomb. Literally. Even after, not after, even TGIF. But, alright, I'm finna tear this up. I'll see y'all later. Wait, what's she say? I tried to sell my food to Poshmark and Poshmark made me and I didn't know.
You say you tried to sell on Poshmark? We've never been this way.
At first, what way?
Yeah, she looked back. We're on the way to the Rockefeller Center. So we trusting Turk again today.
Baby, first of all, they've been trusting me for the past 2 days. They want to tell you that yesterday.
Stop talking like that. Oh, really?
Oh, that's a damn shame. Right.
Oh, look at the tree.
Oh, how cute, but it's cold. Yeah, it is cold. Let's go to where we need to go. It's gonna be there when we get out.
Look. Beautiful. Come on, Vicky. Excuse me. Like, nobody has a sense of urgency. I don't get it. Okay, period.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Happy birthday.
Okay. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Yes.
She got that.
Y'all did that one.
She had that outfit.
She did. Happy birthday.
Okay, look.
We have made it. We made it to the destination.
So we have a problem, a slight delay. Everybody's city pass is working, except for mine. We went to the same places all day and yesterday, and it's still not working. They got their ticket. So we're sitting here at customer service. Hopefully we can get it figured out. We're close.
Pull up the whole damn field. I'm gonna get
Bruh. So, update. So, we went to the top of Rock check-in center. The ladies getting everybody passed and said one of them is not working, blah, blah, blah. It's out of scans or whatever. So, meanwhile, we've been together this entire trip. We did everything together. We walked everywhere together. So, theirs should be working. I mean, theirs is working, so mine should be too. So, we went to the gate services. She told me that they had to call the city pass, because that's what it's called. They had to call the little headquarters or whatever. Of course, the closed at 7. It is 7:20, but at the time it was 7:07. So, just our luck. She told us that we have to wait until tomorrow so we can call them so they can tell us where it's been scanned, blah, 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 blah. So, all in all, we got here for no reason. So, we're about to figure out how much it costs to ice skate. I know it's good. But, y'all wants to ice skate. So, we're gonna ice skate. So, we're gonna ice skate just for her. And I almost just bust my behind if you didn't notice. It's coldish. I can just stop cursing in these vlogs because, you know, my mother watches these and I should do better.
I feel like, oh, it is because they.
Oh, that is the line.
No, ma'am. Nope.
Yeah, that's dead. Look at the line to ice skate, bro. That's the line to ice skate, bro.
And there's not even that many people on the ice.
So we're going back to the hotel. That line is way too long to ice skate. We can go asking at Atlantic Station.
Oh, yeah.
What did it say?
We got to take it.
21 minutes to get back to the hotel.
See that? It said 25 minutes to walk. Okay, so we gotta come.
You and these fucking reactions. She really not even doing all that.
We gotta.
I gotta get louder than that.
Are you ready for a crazy night? You're wrong. It ain't right. Something's gonna give tonight.
Come on, Turk.
If you wanna run and disappear.
You and I can bust our way right now.
Come on, Vicky.
Together we can.
Shoot the moves like the rain and ride a hurricane. If you wanna.
Okay.
Together we can.
Walk in the space. Save the human race. If you where he come from, we can be ourselves and still be
I need more energy.
Amigas, cheaters, friends for life, rhythm in each other, that's what keeps us tight. Amigas, cheaters, living the dream, nothing's ever gonna come between. Amigas, living together, when you lose your faith, never understand. Right here to show you the way, show you the way.
Here you go.
La 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 la, Vicky. La la la.
What's the part?
La la.
Here you go.
Ooh. Yeah.
Get it together.
Friends for life. Barcelona.
Oh, hell no. I was about to say, who's gonna be Mary Cyrus?
You.
Yeah. Exactly. Vicky said we got her messed up. We've been running down the street all day and she been lagging behind. Y'all wanna know what made me so mad? Vicky has been cracking me up all day but making me mad at the same time. She is one of those people This man just peed on the street. Okay, anyway, Vicky is that type of person where you literally will say a full sentence. She will come back 30 seconds, not even 5 minutes, 30 seconds later and say the exact same thing. Literally. Or Vicky is also the type of person where you just told a full story in literally full detail and she come back and wait, what? What happened? Maybe you just don't need to be in it. Maybe you just don't need to be included.
Vlog, I don't recall that.
Doesn't Vicky get on your nerves? All right, talk to you later.
Nobody answered.
Yeah, talk to you
And
later.
there you have it, vlog.
Nothing. It's okay. Nothing.
There you
It's cold, y'all. This wig, look at my wig.
have it.
It's too much going on tonight, baby.
On the other side of the street, you know.
Get your phone, because I know what we at.
It's the warm side anyway.
It's too much going on down here tonight. I'm ready to get in this hotel, get under this cover. Baby, I call first.
Grace papaya.
He said we got on the same jacket. That man said all y'all got on the same jacket, huh?
Not me.
Dang! These folks just
Do not care.
don't care and don't. Like they finna hit that other car. Look.
Ooh. What you gonna do? Right? Get out.
And they don't care. I'm not used to this. I'm ready to go back to the city. We have Southern hospitality. Now it makes so much sense when people move from up north to down south. They be like, y'all so nice. Y'all hold doors for each other and all that. Duh. That's what you're supposed to do. And it's not like you gotta hold it. You don't have to hold it if they all the way down the street. But if they right behind you, just push it open a little wide so they can get through. Wait, turn. You better sit in them hips. You better sit in those hips. You better sit in those hips. Yeah, you better sit in those hips. How do you have on a skirt in wintertime in New York? I don't get it. I don't get it. Do you get it?
I don't get it.
No, I don't get it. Cause I'm cold with these jeans on. Like, are you crazy? Do you want pneumonia?
I would love to come here in the summertime. I feel like it'd be nice in the summer.
Yeah, I feel like it would be really nice in the summertime. It's probably still a little, just a tad bit colder than it is in Georgia, but it probably would be much nicer. Well, when y'all see this shirt, I'm sorry, it's a habit. When y'all see this shirt, y'all know it's time to end the vlog. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I will see y'all in my next vlog. So until then.